Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Vantage.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq slipped from record highs as a series of downbeat earnings weighed on the indexes, while investors looked ahead to the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting later in the day. The world's top Bitcoin mining ASIC manufacturer, Bitmain, is reportedly on the verge of opening its first US-based manufacturing plant. The company also reportedly plans to open a new headquarters in Texas or Florida by the end of the third quarter of 2025. US consumer confidence improved less than expected in July, and households' perceptions of current job availability were the weakest in nearly 4.5 years, consistent with easing labor market conditions. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Alibaba's stock dropped 2.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. Finland's gross domestic product will be released at 5 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. The Austrian Producer Price Index at 7 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. Australia's Consumer Price Index at 1:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.